Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You already have your numbers. Start by selecting the contiguous numeric range. Once done, clear blanks and non-numeric cells so Excel treats the range uniformly. Now type into a cell equals quartile. Inc. A2, A50, 1 to get Q1. You use 1 for first quartile, 2 for median, 3 for third. I recommend quartile. INC because it maps 0, 4 with min and max. This makes results predictable. Enter the formula and press enter to compute the first quartile immediately. Once you've calculated one quartile, make the formula reusable. Convert the range to an absolute reference like $1.02, $1.50 so copying won't shift it. Then copy the cell and change the second argument to 2 or 3 to get median and Q3. If you prefer a percentile approach, use percentile. Inc. $1.02, $1.50, 0. 25, which returns the same first quartile. This is helpful when you need 1/4, 1/2, or 3/4. You're almost done. Format the result cell S for appropriate decimals so values read clearly. Once formatted, copy formulas into a summary table or chart for reporting. If results look wrong, first inspect the range for hidden text, blanks, or merge cells. These often cause errors. Also confirm you used quartile. Inc. versus quartile. EXC intentionally, they compute differently. If you still see errors, recalc with percentile. Inc. range 0. 25 to verify the first quartile and confirm sample size is valid.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.